The rain spattered mud into the tube lock channel. The best way to clean it out was with the water hose. We measured and cut the end wall piece and then began attaching it at the top center point, working our way down. At this point, be sure to look for the label that tells you which is the inside. The inside is coated to minimize condensation drip. This is the most important on the top so you don't get rained on so much.
There should be plenty of repair plastic.
Get the plastic situated, then start the wiggle wire in the top center track. Then go to the bottom center and work your way out to the sides. We ended up outlining the door first and then went down to the bottom track. After finishing up the end wall wiggle wire, we then trimmed off the excess plastic. Next up is the opposite end wall. Dang! I forgot the beer. Thanks to my friends Jenny and Jason, and to my wife Penelo, and my sister Chris for all your help.
I do too. I see this side inside. So we need to flip the thing over.
I watched two guys on YouTube do this by themselves, but it was great to have the extra hands for our project. We have 3 of us on the other side pulling ropes that are tied around a ball wrapped in the plastic. With no wind, it went on quite smoothly. We're continuing along the baseboard with the wiggle wire, which is also known as spring wire. So what you do is you put your second layer, this is the top, and then the wiggle wire goes on top, and there's a layer of wiggle wire underneath to hold the side on.